How application deployments work in Anypoint Runtime Fabric. Here you can see how application deployment work in Anypoint Runtime Fabric. When you deploy an application in Anypoint Runtime Fabric on the following occurs. One, you use Runtime Manager to trigger application deployment. The Runtime Fabric agent in the target cluster receive the request to deploy the application. 3. Runtime Fabric assign the application to an existing namespace and create a new namespace if necessary. 4. Runtime Fabric generate an appropriate Kubernetes resources including deployment, config map, secrets, services, and ingress. 5. If the Kubernetes deployment resource includes the init container, it fetches the dependencies from the Runtime Fabric resource cache. 6. If the resource cache doesn't contain required dependencies, Runtime Fabric fetches them from the control plane and add them to the resource cache. Here you can see resource cache, init container, MuleSoft container, Anypoint monitoring sidecar, and empty dir volume are inside Runtime Fabric cluster. Here init container, Mule app container, Anypoint monitoring sidecar, and empty dir volume inside the application pod. Here you can see init container is connected to empty dir volume, and into empty dir volume is connected to MuleSoft container and Anypoint monitoring sidecar. Here init container is connected to resource cache via request dependencies, and resource cache is connected to Anypoint control plane via fetch dependencies. Here the Anypoint monitoring sidecar is connected to Anypoint control plane via send matrices and logs. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.